Hello there, this is Derek again and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm just going to be sharing with you how you're going to be able to get this YouTube short feature right here on your YouTube app. So this feature actually gives you the TikTok side of YouTube, which is being rolled out to only India and United States at the moment. But in this video, I'm just going to share with you how you're going to be able to just get this feature right here when you go to your YouTube app in order to just start this shorts right here and then have a feel of it. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. Don't forget to like the video, share to anyone you think that is going to be helpful to them. And without further ado, let's just dive into the video. So first of all, when I go to my YouTube app, you guys are going to see I don't have this right here. When I check on it like this, you see I don't have the YouTube app right here. I can just refresh it and then tap on it again, and then you guys are going to see that there's nothing like create a short right here. So these are where you can find your short shelf. You can see shorts right here. You see it right there, and then when you click on it, and then you can just scroll through like how you scroll through like TikTok. You scroll through to check anything right there. So in order to create this kind of shorts videos, you need to create a short right here so that you create it with ease, or you can just start creating the shorts with your phone camera before you edit it, and then you post it right here in order to just get it right here. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to go to your store, and then you type in VPN. I want to show you one VPN I used, which is really cool, and I'm not being paid to make any review of this app right away. So when you just open your store, and then you search for this VPN right here, and then you download it. After you're done downloading, you're going to open this app like this, and then you're going to click on this side. Not now. You're going to click on this side right here, fastest location, and then we are going to change our location to the United States. So we're going to scroll through and then pick the free side. We're not going to click on VIP, you're going to click on free. So you go to free, and then you check through United States, and we can pick on any of them. So I'm going to pick on United States, Atlanta, and then we are going to make it connect right away. So we're going to tap on connect, and we click on allow, and it's going to come to this page, and then we put our touch ID there, and then we wait for it to connect right away. So it's done connecting, and then now we are going to close this app right away, and then we go back to our YouTube, and then we click on open like this, and then you're going to see we still don't have this option right here. So what you're going to do next is you double tap on the touch ID, and then you close this app. If you are using iPhone 10 upwards, you just swipe up in order to just get this option like this, and then you swipe up, and then you close the YouTube app. So once you're done closing the YouTube app, what you need to do next is you tap on the YouTube app again, and then you tap on this plus sign right here, and when I bring it close, you're gonna see it right away. We have create a short right here. So when you tap on create a short, it's gonna give you a pop-up where you're gonna be able to just create short videos like how you create on TikTok, and you can see right here it gives you 15 seconds at most in order to create it. And the reason why they are strategizing this on 50 seconds is because these are the kind of videos that are really going to blow up, because when you do short videos, people get to engage in it a lot. So these are the kind of videos that are really going to blow up. So they want to show you that 50 seconds is what you are going to be allowed to create at the moment. And when you're done creating your shorts, you click on this side, and then you're going to see the timeline I was talking to you about right here, where you're going to be able to type in anything you want to type. And then when you type anything you want to type, you can just hit on the timeline, and you're going to know how you're going to edit them. And when you want it to just pop up, you tap on another one, and maybe you just do it, and then you tap on the timeline, and maybe you want it to just play after whatever. So you can just do it like this, and then you're going to have your shorts right away from there, and this is going to give you a very good feel of your TikTok live right away here on YouTube. And this shorts was introduced because TikTok was about to get banned in the United States, and it's already been banned in India. So people in India started using the shorts before it was being rolled out to the people of the United States. So a lot of people are not getting this feature right here. So this is the steps you need to take in order to just get the shorts right here. And when you are done, you're going to click on next. And when you click on next, it's going to take you to a place where you are supposed to put in your title and then your description, and then you select your audience. You feel like you want them to see this, and basically you are good. So you can see I have my VPN connected right here, and yeah, that is how we do this. So if this video was very helpful, and then you feel you want to get a YouTube short in order to just have a feel of your TikTok live on YouTube, you give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Share to anyone you think that is going to be helpful to them. And without further ado, I'm just going to catch you in the next video. Peace.